is Etudiant. Welcome to our French class. In the last class, we studied the alphabets, and I hope you did the work which I gave you. It was a small homework of writing your name and spelling it. And I told you with the alphabets you can see 5 accents here and there. You should know where to use which accent. So today we study les accents. Les accents. Here again look at the pronunciation. As we pronounce with alphabets. With alphabets we pronounce as les alphabet. Les alphabet. Here les accents. In French the ending letter of the word is not pronounced unless otherwise it is joined with the next word. So here it is, for example, Elias. It is joined with the next word as les accents, whereas accent is ending with S. That S is not pronounced. Now les accents. This accent, this is called acute accent. This is called acute accent, and this is used with E. And we put it as E acute. When you see that accent above E, should read it as E acute. Then this is just opposite, grave accent. Grave accent. Don't read it as grave accent, that's wrong. This is grave accent. That is used with A and E. So when you put that accent above A and E, it is read as A grave and E grave. Next, what is this? It looks like, when you look, it looks like C. When you actually write C, the mouth of C is open to the right side. Now next is cedilla. Cedilla. This has a similarity with C. The alphabet C, when you write C, the mouth is open to the right side. Whereas here the cedilla, the mouth is open to the left side. And this cedilla is used only with C. This is cedilla. This is cedilla. This is used with C to get the S pronunciation. Without this cedilla, C is pronounced as Ka. For example, car, C-A-R. It has a sound as Ka. So when you put the cedilla, it is pronounced as S. See, first you write C, then underneath you write another form of C, but the mouth is open to the left side. This is called cedilla, and when you put cedilla, it shouldn't look like S. In such a way you have to put the accent. And now I can give you an example for that as garçon. Garçon, G-A-R-C, cedilla, O-N. Garçon means boy or waiter. Now, if you don't put the cedilla, it is pronounced as garçon. That is wrong. So, when you put the cedilla, it gets the pronunciation as garçon, which means waiter or boy. Right now, please don't bother about the meanings and all. That simultaneously, you'll get it. Next is circumflex. This accent is called circumflex. This is used with vowels. Now, which are the vowels in English? A, E, I, O, U. So, this circumflex is used with A, E, I, O, U. So, how you read this? A circumflex, E circumflex, I circumflex, O circumflex, and U circumflex. In French, there is 2 more addition as vowels. That is H and Y. They are treated as vowels. Not exactly the vowels. Along with these vowels A, E, I, O, U, H and Y are treated as vowels. Now next is 2 dots. You can see 2 dots here. This is called tréma. See, when I wrote tréma, I put an accent here. I hope you saw this accent. This accent is called acute accent. This accent is called acute accent. So this is pronounced as tréma. This is used when 2 vowels meet together. Not always. Not always. Okay. Noel. N-O-E, tréma, L. Noel. You know what is Noel? Noel is Christmas. That doesn't mean wherever two walls are coming together, you have to put trema. No. When and where you see, accordingly you have to learn. So acute accent used with E acute, as E acute, grave accent used with A and E, and read it as A grave and E grave. This is cedilla used with C to get the S pronunciation. Then circumflex used with A, E, I, O, U. Then this is trema, used when two vowels meet together. Example, Noel. N-O-E, trema, L, Noel. Next, we learn some greetings. For example, morning when you come to school, how do you greet? Good morning. So what do you say in French? Bonjour. See, salut, hello. Salut, hello. Bonjour, bonjour. Good morning, good day. Bonjour. Bon après-midi. This S is silent. You know why? Après is ending with a consonant and midi is starting with a consonant. So there is no linking. So it is read as après-midi. Bon après-midi means good afternoon. Bonsoir. Good evening. Bonsoir. Good evening. Bonne nuit. Good night. Au revoir. Au revoir. Goodbye. A bientôt. A bientôt. See you soon or see you later. See here, you can see an accent. Which accent is this? This is grave accent. A grave. And here again, you can see another accent. This is called circumflex. Where will you use circumflex accent? Is used with vowels. So, a bientôt. See you soon or later. See you later. Salut, hello. Usually salut is used informally. Informally. If you want to say good morning or hello, your friend. Hello, then you can use salut. Salut, Maria. Then bonjour is usually used formally. If you want to greet your professor, bonjour, madame. Bonjour, monsieur. But when you greet your friends, you can use salut. So this is informal and this is formal. Bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. See here, bon. N is a consonant, whereas A is a vowel. So it is linked. Bon après-midi. Never read it as bon après-midi. That is wrong. Bon après-midi means good afternoon. Bonsoir. B-O-N-S-O-I-R. Bonsoir. Good evening. Ending is silent. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Good night. Au revoir. Goodbye. A bientôt. See you soon or see you later. So, this is enough for today's class. Please read loudly and learn, then write and learn. Try to use all these greetings whenever you get a chance to use it with others. So this we wind up today's class. See you in the next class. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.